motenre koda serikal. Jatend kweth mathote od bura mamalo Kimani Ichung'wah okwero weche maliekore ni ne ochwalo monj puoth familia mar jatend piny machon mosenindo Mzee Jomo Kenyatta.
Koro Ramogi Ichung'wah olero neno kwero uru ni kik osir weche mag ng'anyo makelo tulo kaka nosenenore ng'anyo mag Asiayo Kenya Alliance.
Ichung'wah bende wacho ni ojiwo nonro ewi monj puodho mar joka Kenyatta ma Northlands.
Kata kamano medo seyo gai mar Asiayo la umoja wan Kenya Alliance la Molodinga ko wacho ni Raila temo chuno mos e kindgi gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo mi oyudi lemo moro.
I cautioned him last Saturday but one. I told him the same, my message, and I addressed, if you listen to that clip, I was very particular. I addressed none other than Uhuru Kenyatta. And I said he's a sole and singular financier of this Asiayo chaos, as the chairman of the Asiayo Council. And I told him, if you continue to orchestrate violence, violence has no end, it has no boundaries. You find it at your doorstep. Kenyans need to ask themselves the curious question, how comes even the policemen, elite policemen, who guard Northlands were nowhere to be seen? We have not had any reports, not from the OCS of the stations around Northlands, not from the OCPD, not from the Inspector General of Police. That was a distress call to the police for backup.
Lydia Winjo kaka